spider. This is centipede. See, it's hopper. Butterfly. This one is grasshopper. This one is spider. You see, this one is so beautiful. This one is cockroach. It's so beautiful. You see? Yeah. Yes. This is small butterfly, and this now you can tell. This is a small frog. This is a toad. Yes, it's very big. It's very big. And my dog is playing with this toad. And this is cricket. Yeah, I scout him now. And this is spider. Now you can see spider. It's small spider. Wow, it's run very fast. Yes, this is centipede. Wow, it's very scary. Yeah, this is centipede. And this is toad. Toad. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yeah, yeah. This is another cricket. This is the black. This is black. Yeah, this is black cricket, not brown. This is this one. This one is black, and this is baby cricket, a small cricket. And this one millipede. This one is small millipede, small red millipede. Yeah, you can see it red color. And this one is grasshopper, small grasshopper. You know, this is small grasshopper. Yes, this is very small grasshopper. And this one is butterfly, small butterfly. This one is small butterfly. Now you can see this one is small butterfly, and this one is grasshopper. Yes, this one is grasshopper. And this one is spider. This one is spider. Yeah. Now he is in my hand. Wow, this one is so beautiful. But I don't know in English what does it call. You see, this one is so beautiful. Yeah, this one is so beautiful. Yes, and this one is small grasshopper. Small grasshopper. Yes, small grasshopper. And this one is red small millipede. Red small millipede. Yeah, you can see small red millipede. And this one is cockroach. You can see this one is cockroach. Yeah, this I caught him. Wow, Now I found another monster. I don't know what does it call in English. This one, it's so beautiful. You see, it's so beautiful. It it has very long legs. Yeah. And these are small butterfly. One, two, and this one I don't know in English. What does it call? This one you can see. This one I don't know in English. If you want, if you know, you can tell me in the comment. Yeah, thank you. Yes, and this is a small grasshopper. Yeah, this one. Now he ran away. Yeah. Small grasshopper, but I don't know clearly in English. This one I don't know. I don't know name in English. Now I caught him. I put it here. Wow, it's very fast. And this one is cockroach. This one is cockroach. Now he ran away. And this one is small cricket. This one is small, very small cricket. And this one is toad. Yeah, this toad is very small. This is a small toad. Yeah, you can see toad. It's like the frog. Like this toad like the frog, but it's different skin. You can see different skin. Yes, and this one is bitter. Yes, this one is bitter. This bitter is very big. Yes, this is bitter. And this one I don't know. I I don't know in English what does it call. Yes, and this one is blister bitter. See, this is run very fast. Blister bitter. And this one is it's look like butterfly, but it's smaller than the butterfly. It's so beautiful. You can see it has a white, black, brown color on the body and on the wing. It's so beautiful. And this one I don't know in English. What does it call in English? I don't know name in English. Yes. He runs slow. Yes, not very fast. You can see. And these are small butterfly. Yes, this is small butterfly. And this is the same butterfly, but it's different color. Yeah, this different color. And this one I don't know in English. If you know, you can tell me in the comment. Yeah, I don't know in English this one. And this one I don't know in English. Yeah. Yeah. And this is frogs. Yeah, frog is like water. This is a small frog. Wow, wow, he's very fast. Over there, look over there. I cannot catch him. But now I see another frogs. Now he ran away from me.